capture. Opening.
Wait lang. Okay. Join baby dun sa mga rooms. So you'll see Bubs. Just search Bubs and then this is the password. What's happening?
Clearing the game capture. Just lowering the volume. Hi chat, good evening, morning pala.
Okay.
Just sabi mo.
Sige, mag-intro ka muna habang nandito tayo sa Survivor Select.
Ano ng intro. Good morning everyone, welcome to our stream. This is gonna be a date stream. Turuan niya ako paano maglaro ng Don't Starve Together. First time ko lalaruin. Actually gusto ko na siya laruin before pa. Para kasi siya yung mga bunker games, yung you have to survive. Yung how many days will you survive, blah blah blah. Yan, try ko siya.
Okay. Gagamitin ko si Wendy. And since beginner ka, I think you should pick Wilson. Pick Wilson. Sabihin mo sa akin pag okay na.
Okay na. Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
Where are my skins?
Okay.
Yeah, okay na? Okay, wait lang. I'm just gonna wear shoes.
I cannot wear anything.
Yeah, because you have nothing.
Skill set.
Okay na? Game na?
Game. Go. I press go. I click
Okay.
go.
Ako yung hintayin dyan. Okay, let's go.
This is you?
So,
This is you?
yes, this is me. So, basically, you come here and then you pick the grass, you twigs, kasi mamaya maggagabi. So, you need...
What's that? Why did you laugh?
So, you need ano... Baby, stop! What are you doing? Pick grass and shit. Pick that also. Try to pick everything you see, okay? Siyempre, hindi naman na yung mga napindot ko na, no?
Pick grass. I have grass. Flowers.
Yes, kasi kailangan mo grass and twigs para maka-build tayo ng torch. So, ang goal natin ngayon is to find the beefaloes so that we can set up camp. Ito, we found them.
What?
Ganda ng spawn natin. Akit ka. Do not attack those, baby, ah.
Which one?
We're gonna die. Yan, yung mga beefaloes. Don't attack them.
Why will I attack them? Can I just walk to them?
Yes, you can walk. They're friendly, but if you attack one of them, they all attack you.
How do I attack?
Oh my gosh, don't. I'm not gonna tell you ba. Putang ina mo.
No, she's gonna tell me how to attack. How would
I
I?
don't trust you.
Nakalagay dun walk to Beefalo.
Ah, sige.
Is that attacking? No. Just walking to them, right?
Yes.
That's my grass. That's my grass. That's my grass. That's my grass. That's it.
That's mine.
Fuck you.
Tapos, wala pa tayong nakikitang stone, kaya punta muna tayo sa...
I have a flint.
Oh, yun, good. Bababa muna ako, babe. Baba muna tayo.
Okay, going to the Beefalo. Beefalo.
Yes. You see my ghost? That's
Yeah.
my sister. That can help us attack monsters. Also, itong path na to so that you can walk faster. Come here. Pick up the manure kasi that's good for when we set up camp.
Walk to Beefalo.
Come.
I'm scared.
Why?
Will the Beefalo attack me if I walk to them?
Baby, look at this. Get that. Pick this up. This one! The feather hat.
Oh, I thought the skeleton. Oh! Hey. Hey.
Do you have food? Yung nasa right mo, baby, yan yung health bar mo, diba? So,
Oh.
you have to, basta.
Yes, I have petals to eat.
No, you pick up, yung mga carrots, ganyan.
I have petals to eat. Can't I eat petals?
Yes, you can.
To be or not to be. Hey, got it. There's a frog.
Huwag mo lalapitan yan.
Ay, gago! I attacked the frog!
Gago!
Help! Maybe? He's
Ayan! Sinusundan ka niya!
I was supposed to click on walk lang. And naging attack. We're friendly now? Okay, we're friendly.
Pwede ka mag-WASD.
Yes, I'm pressing the WSD.
Okay. Ang daming bees. This is dangerous. I don't like this. Wala pang flint. Wala pa nakikitang flint
I
and
have a
stone. Ito, meron na pala.
Why is it turning red?
Paggabi na. Paggabi na, wala ka dapat sa dark.
So how do I know if it's a dark or not?
Eh, tingnan mo yung day 1 sa right, upper right.
I mean,
Yan,
where,
afternoon yung red.
where are we gonna hide?
Oh no, we just have to stay in the light.
Where is the light?
You create light. So if
Oh.
you cannot create light, you die.
Where are you?
Bye-bye! Bahala ka dyan, baby, pag ikaw namatay. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Baby, asan ka na?
I don't know.
Ha?
I don't know.
Asan ka na?
Where are you?
Andito sa left side. Tingnan mo yung map. Sa baba. Nakita mo yung spawn natin, yung circle.
Sa baba, walang map.
Tingnan mo yung sa map sa, lower right.
Okay, show map. We're not here.
Oo nga. So, tingnan mo yung, di ba may mga beehives? Correct?
Huh?
Baba, tingnan mo. I-scroll up. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna pick you up. Where are you? Maybe you're gonna die na. It's gonna be,
Do
gabi
I go
na.
up? Down.
Where are you? Can I see?
Can I go
Open
up or
your
down?
map. Open your map. Open your map. Open your map!
It's open!
Oh, dyan ka lang.
Can I go up?
Just go to the circle thingy.
Circle team. Where is the circle?
Yung spawn natin. Yung
Oh,
twirly sa map.
Okay. That's our place.
Okay? Yes, that's our spawn.
Did you survive there?
Hello.
Hi.
And you can chop wood. Don't chop that. That's sayang. And then we wait for ano na. We wait for morning. Pwede ka na ba mag-create ng ano, ng
I can
fire?
make fire, yeah.
Oh, later na.
Why later?
Later na.
I'm a chop this.
Sayang. Nag-spawn yan into a tree monster. Ayan na, baby! Bye-bye!
Oh my god.
Dito ka lang. Diyan ka lang.
Hey, that's mine. You stealer. Can't I make a bonfire instead?
Wag. Wala pa tayong stones. Sayang din yung log.
But I have.
You have food?
Yes, I have seeds. I have petals.
No, I mean... Ay, gago. Muntik na tayo mamatay, gago. Kunin mo yung carrot. Kunin mo yung carrot. Tapos kainin mo, right click.
I wanna eat the petal. Can I eat the petal?
Okay lang. Okay. Come on, let's explore some more. Since nakita na natin yung buffaloes, tignan mo yung map, baby. Scroll down ka. Pag binuksan mo yung map para lumaki. Basta dun lagi yung spawn. So, sasabihin ko sa'yo yung dun sa may grasslands, dun sa may beehives.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, come here. Watch my sister do all the work.
What happened? My sister's not doing anything.
Ayan. Ano yung gagawin niya pag lumapit yung frog?
Who's that?
Ala! Kill that! You'll get a turkey.
Can I destroy the turkey?
Mahirap yan patayin. So,
I will find some twig. Okay? I found the twig. Yay.
okay. Basically, ang ginagawa lang naman sa first few days is just finding like a place to set up.
I need a flint. Do you have a flint? Just one?
Here, dito sa taas. Yung mga ganitong mga land, dito yung maraming flint.
Oh no! Oh,
Why?
I thought I was gonna go to the water.
No, you can't.
Sorry.
So, yung ganito, you can, you mine this so that you can get
How do I
gold.
change yung weapon?
Yung dun sa baba. Yung dun sa may gitnang HUD. Lower right.
How do I change it?
Yes. You create, a pickaxe. You have to create one. How will you change weapon if you don't create one?
Oh, I have nitro. We can go...
Anong nitro? That's niter.
Wait.
What in the world? Yung mga nakakollect natin kasi pwede tayong gumawa ng science machine, ganun, para makapag-create tayo ng better equipment. Mas maganda if yung mga gold na lang yung kunin mo para sulit sa gamit.
Oh, is the rocks useless?
They're useful, but you can also get rocks kasi sun. Oh my god. I need more twigs.
What is this? I can build something below the pickaxe.
Yes.
What's that?
That's a hoe. For gardening. Pwede mong buksan yan, baby. Yung dun sa taas ng, um, torch. Buksan mo yan, tapos makikita mo yung mga pwede mong gawin.
There's no name. What is this?
Tigil lang. That's the part where it's fun
Oh, I
kasi
can
you
make a
get to
science
explore.
machine.
Yes.
Should I create one now?
No. Ilalagay natin yan sa base natin. Or every time na umuwi tayo sa base, pwede tayong gumawa ng mga shitcodes.
This trial and save. Fuck you. I can make a compass. Oh no, I'm hungry.
You don't need that muna. Pero ngayon, I'm just gonna allow you to do your shit while I grind for us.
I don't have
Why?
I don't have a pickaxe anymore. More twig. So weak.
Anyway, nakita na naman natin. Ay, putang ina mo, nandito yung vultures. Oh, ang ganda ng spawn natin so much. I love it. Oh my god, I got so much! Baby, takbo ka na. Hinahabol ako ng isang very powerful monster.
Takbo saan?
Asan ka na ba?
Pabalik sa base natin.
Hindi yun base, ang layo mo. Putang ina mo.
Dun sa nag-spawn tayo.
Tang ina mo, ang layo mo!
May mapupunta ako. Coming.
Hindi, sige, dyan ka na. Layo mo, boss. Pero may torch ka na. Okay.
Wala.
I need
Ano?
a twig.
Anong
I
tabi?
need a twig. Ha? Hindi mo kayang mag-create ng torch? Alam ko na kung saan tayo mag-setup. Dito tayo sa baba. Kam. Baby, asan ka? Why are you always so far from me?
I'm getting for the torch.
It's okay. We don't need a torch.
But I need a torch.
Come. Just stay close to me. Yun lang yun.
Oh, I like that.
Don't forget to eat and parang RP lang to.
But I don't eat in RP. I get killed by admins.
Ano?
Ano? Sorry.
Bobo ka ba?
Ano? Ano nag-usapan natin?
Alam ko na kung saan tayo magsiset-up. I think this place is fine. You wanna set up base here?
Okay.
Okay. Ayan ka. Gabi na.
Where's my torch? Where's my torch? Where is my torch?
Okay na. I have one.
Equip. Me too. Me too. I have a torch. This is fun actually.
Tapos, ang gagawin natin, magsiset up na tayo ng base dito, right? So, ang gagawin natin, we're gonna clear shit. Tapos, ang ganda ng spawn natin kasi meron na siyang pagpasok ng cave. You're gonna go underground.
I really like this kind of games. Just I like the bunker games. I like bunker games. I like survival games. I am hungry. Carrot time. Petals time. Another petal. Some berries. Another berry. I don't need the pine cone. Do you need the pine cone?
Ano? Okay, turn that off na.
How do I turn it off?
There we go. And then I'm gonna set up na here.
Kita squid.
Huh? Dito ako magsa-set up.
Okay, I will explore the world. Actually, no, I don't want to explore the world. I'm gonna go down.
Basta malapit lang.
Fuck you. Mine. Ooh, travel via sinkhole.
Do not go there.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Kasi teleport ka sa isang part ng map. Tapos bababa yung sanity mo.
I like that.
Anyway, nakakuha ko ng metal gears. So pwede tayong gumawa ng ref. Ano? I know, right? So cool.
You can
Science machine.
I'm going down. There's many bees here. Can I attack it?
Yes. Good luck.
What happens if I attack it?
Good luck.
Will I die?
Mm-mm. I need twigs. Fuck.
I have a birch nut.
Doon ka lang sa doon ka lang sa may campfire doon sa mapa. Doon ka lang bumalik. Ay! Inano mo yung sinkhole? Akala ko wormhole sinabi mo. Sinkhole, papunta ka dyan sa cave.
Is it good to go to the cave?
Madaming monsters doon. Tapos papatayin ka.
Fuck them. They're just monsters. Oh, there's a wormhole here. Wormhole. I'm gonna build a science machine.
Meron na. Science machine dun sa base. Ikaw na lang gumawa nung isa.
Yung isa, I mean.
Yung isa pang kailangan na machine.
So many bees. I think I'm gonna die. I need to mine some boulders. Time to mine some rocks.
Putang ina.
Oh, I'm wrong way. How do I restart the camera? My camera turned accidentally.
QE.
It doesn't look like the same anymore.
QE. Baby, magagabi na.
There's a fire. Oh no.
Pagdating mo doon, pwede ka magluto doon sa campfire ng food. So you can cook your berries, your carrots para mas malaki yung bigay sa...
This isn't a good movie.
Ha?
No, I hate them all.
Kailangan mo mag-ration, you dumb shit.
I'm gonna die, yeah. I'm being attacked! Hello! No!
Tumakbo ka lang. Tumakbo ka lang.
They're following me! I don't even know where I'm
Halika
going.
dito. Punta ka dito. Punta ka sa akin. Punta ka sa akin. Punta ka sa akin. Tapos punta ka kay Abigail.
Stop.
Okay. Pick mo yung mga... Okay na. Come. Let's go back to the base.
Where is it?
Dito.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Wait lang. I'm gonna cook.
Cook.
Ako na. Anong kinukook mo, gago?
Roasted
Ito.
birch nut. Eat.
Ayan.
I ate
Ano
roasted
yung carrot?
birch. I'm so hungry.
Ano yung carrot? Ayan o yung sa... Yan. Tapos pag lumapit ka dito sa science machine, yan, pwede ka nang...
What does this do?
Okay, baby, get this backpack. And then you wear it so that you have extra... Get this. Hello? Yan. And, do you have twigs?
Of course I have twigs.
Okay, give it to me.
Okay, I'm dropping it. There you go.
Yan. Tapos gagawa pa ako ng isa pa. For me. Do you need your twigs or no?
Yeah, really. I need rain gear. Summer items.
Yung next season kasi dito is winter, so kailangan natin mag-prepare for winter. You're so hungry pa din?
And
Here you go. Eat this. Eat that.
no, I have.
Eat that.
I have.
Eat it. Oh my gosh, just eat it.
Later. Buffalo bell. Oh.
Pag Beefalo Bell, pwede kang magpaamo ng isang Beefalo.
Are they worth it? Boards, rope,
Wala lang, parang ano lang.
aesthetics.
Aesthetic. May
Fuck.
pet ka, ganun.
Then eat. Eat again. Eat again.
Sa day 6, magkakaroon ng attacking na insight gained. Wait lang.
Okay, bye-bye. Time for me to get some stones. Stones. Fuck you, Twiggy Tree. Take that, nature. Fuck you, nature. Sorry.
Huh.
Bye.
Baby, ang job mo ngayon, I will give you a job, okay?
Fuck the job.
You get a lot of twigs, basta wood.
I have rocks.
We don't need rocks.
We don't?
Not really. Kaya kami yung shovel.
I have ice.
Ice?
Yes, so we have cold water.
Hindi ganun yun.
How should I know? of
Sige
flint.
lang, mag-collect ka lang ng mag-collect.
I have rocks, flint, I have gold nugget. I like this game.
Ay, do you talaga?
Yes, I will play this even if you're not playing me.
Hindi pwede.
Ay, hindi
Kasi
ba
ako
pwede?
yung host dito eh.
Fuck! I like this game. This is like the bunker games. I like bunker games. I don't care if you don't believe me or not. I like the bunker games. Take that, nature. Aha.
Ay, bored na. Feeling ko
No,
bored ka eh.
I can play this
Ako,
like
ako mahilig talaga ako sa ganito. Nag-8 hours ako ng ganito eh.
I can play
12
this
hours.
all day. Like literally. I can play this the whole day. I can cheat here and I'm gonna tell you that no, I did not play.
Ah, talaga?
And tell you I did not play, then you're gonna see our bases already complete. Aha. I like this game. No, I didn't play this before. It's because of the graphics. Only because of the graphics. Oh no!
Ay.
My axe broke. Sorry. Where to find food? I only have 6 weeks. Pigs. Take that, nature. What is this? Grass turf. What is
Ako
it?
na yan. Kunin ko yan.
Pick up Morcel. Who's Morcel?
Akin yan. Iluluto ko yan para sa'yo.
What is happening?
That's I killed a mole. A mole rat.
Pick up seeds.
Later mag-collect tayo ng madaming seeds kasi mag-create tayo ng garden.
I have to put fire. Examine fire pit.
Ay, kunin mo tong grass turf, baby. Tapos lagay mo dun sa fire pit. Go, 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 go. Right click. Maybe? Add fuel. Okay, alis, 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 alis.
Stop, I'm gonna cook my birch nut. Birch
Pa,
nut.
bakit kasi birch nut lang yung kinakain mo? Gago ka ba?
Now I'm gonna...
Alis, alis, alis. I'm gonna cook this for you and then you get it, okay?
No!
Okay, I'm gonna feed you this. Come here, come here. Come here! Come here, dito sa tabi ko. Come, 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 come.
Wow! Ang sarap mo! Okay, I should always add fuel. Why the pine cones always add fuel?
Wag na. Okay na yan, max na yan eh.
Plant.
Putang ina naman.
Plant. Plant.
Hindi mo pwedeng i-plant yan dyan.
It says plant. So,
I-pick up mo nga yan. Nilinis ko na nga eh. Ang ina talaga.
cook. Fuck, I ate it instead. Oh, I have toasted seeds. Hindi man ako nadagdagan ng ano. Ha 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 ha. Inspect self.
Maglalagay tayo ng chest dito, okay? So, pwede ka maglagay ng shit dyan, okay? Lagay tayo dito ng rope.
How do I
Gears.
transform 2 logs?
Lapit ka dun sa science machine.
Okay, and then how do I transform my logs to a twig? It's a good question. No?
Okay. So, I think you can make, another...
Wait, where do I get
Which one?
I learned something.
Huh?
I learned something.
Wait
This
lang,
one.
I need to remove
Transform
this.
3 twigs into a log, transform a log into 2 twigs.
Mm-mm.
How do I transform a log into 2 twigs? Open chest. Do I open chest?
Yes, you can open it.
What does it do? Oh,
Science machine.
I have 8 gold nugget.
Halika dito, baby. Gawa tayo ng...
Ayan, baby. Pwede naman.
Gawa tayo ng... Gawa ka ng alchemy engine. Meron ka na bang dudad?
What is that? Do that? What the?
Nothing.
What the
Wala,
fuck
wala,
is
wala,
that?
wala, 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 wala.
Do that.
Dudad.
Fuck, I'm hungry.
An electrical
I need food.
dudad. Go hunt na for food. We're gonna die na.
Wait, I will just cook toasted seeds.
Putang ina, hindi tayo mabubuhay sa ganyan, boss. Mamamatay na tayo.
Attack the bird. Fuck you, bird. I have to attack you. No, I'm going. Where should I go? Attack the bird. Attack. Ah.
Maybe hanapan mo ako ng pagkain na.
I'm trying to attack the bird. Fuck! I need to attack the bird so we have food, you know?
Pupunta muna ako dun sa bees.
Attack the bird. I have seeds. We can eat toasted seeds. Is there a way that you can revive me if I die?
Yes.
How is that? I can't attack this fucking mouse.
Ano?
This one, the rabbit. Fuck you. I won't attack you anymore. Oh no, there's There's no food plate.
Wala.
I don't even know if I'm going to the right direction for the food.
Oh my gosh. Saan yung ano dito? Putang ina. Sige, wait lang.
Clockwork Knight.
Mag-ano ka muna. Tiis-tiis ka muna. May honey ako dito. Pero, you know what the fuck is that?
I am currently in a touchstone.
Ayan. Oy, saan yan?
The very, 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 very dulo.
Saan? Taas, baba?
Taas.
Okay, yan. Pag may namatay, pwede kang pumunta dyan. Like, your ghost can go there and then you'll be revived.
Was it a question mark?
Yeah, because... Basta.
Okay.
Can you go to the... Okay, dito ako kukuha ng...
I have to go back. I
Food.
will die. It's
Okay.
evening na.
May pagkain ka na? Wala pa.
Yes, toasted seed. 1.
Okay, wait lang.
Huh?
Putang ina.
I
Ayun!
have one.
Ayun! Nice one! I found an eye bone!
What is that?
Ah! Look.
Okay na, look yung dami naman so far.
Tingnan mo pag uwi ko dyan, you dum-dum.
If I can make it alive.
Wait lang, may nahanap ako marami.
Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop.
Putang ina, mamamatay ako. Baby, you have to revive me, okay?
No! Tish! Stop.
Ano, saan ako pupunta? Nawawala ako. Honey, I'm home. I got food.
Me too, I have toasted seeds, only one. I already ate it, so no more.
Putang ina, walang kwenta ang puta.
Where's the food,
Ayan.
honey?
Wait lang
Open
po.
chest there. What is this? Okay,
That
chest.
guy follows me around. Anyway, I got... Wait lang. I'm gonna cook it first and then I'm gonna give it to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will drop it here. Then I will cook this also. Okay, and then I will drop it here. At pakabusog ka. I-full mo na yung health mo ngayon. Ay, yung ano mo. Kung kaya.
Yummy. Of course not.
Ata. Tapos, kunin mo tong isa. This one.
Fuck, I'm still not full.
It's okay. Basta tumaas na. Then I'm gonna plant berries na here.
I planted. Look, I planted.
Okay. Now, ang assignment mo, Bobs, ay
Wait,
kuha ka ng tae.
wait, how do I change my logs to twig?
Ano?
My logs to twigs.
Tangina mo, Chester. Umalis ka
Ano
dyan.
sabi dito? Transform 3 twigs into a log. Transform a log into 2 twigs. Fuck this skeleton.
You learn it.
Yes, I learned it already. What do I do next?
Oh, edi i-right click mo siguro yung ano, yung twigs and ano.
I have 2 manure.
Hmm?
I have 3 manure.
Okay, get some more.
I have 4. More? It's like hard for me to get more.
Tang ina mo, yun na nga lang yung trabaho mo. Ako lang ang kumukuha ng pagkain.
Can I tell them take a shit?
No. Oh, I think you're gonna enjoy what I'm gonna let you do later.
It's cold.
Huh?
It's cold.
What do you mean?
My body is cold. IR.
Really?
Yes. I found
Hindi mo
shit
tiras
again.
na?
I'm having fun. Like really having fun.
Basta kuha naman ako ng ng tae.
Don't worry,
Like a lot.
Don't worry, I can give you my shit always.
Maybe what if you upset her?
Ano?
Nothing.
Can you like
Oh shit, ayan na.
stop?
Baby, how are you?
I'm okay, but you made me scared. So I will eat ice. I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back.
Why? Ayan na. Naririnig mo yun?
No, I'm not hearing anything in my
Naririnig mo yung mga hounds?
No.
Ayan na. Ayan na sila. Teka. I need you to...
Did you hear that?
Ayan, the hounds are baying. Teka.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you.
Do you have twigs, baby?
I have 7.
Alika dito. Bigay mo sa akin. Bilis.
I'm so far.
Alika,
Really?
bilis.
Wait, I'm far.
Kunin mo to. Kunin mo to. Bilisan mo.
Ay, putang ina mo.
Tumakbo ka lang. Tumakbo ka lang. Alika dito.
My heart.
Tumakbo ka lang. Bilisan mo. Akin na yung twigs.
No, I got scared by the... I'm not...
Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo, please. Mamamatay tayo. Legit.
You know where I got scared? I got scared of a spider.
Halika dito. Bilisan mo.
Coming. I'm coming.
Bilisan mo. Andyan na sila. Tang ina mo.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Tapos,
I'm
itong...
coming.
Yung armor na nandito sa camp. Kunin mo yan. Tapos yung berries, ha?
Okay, I'm coming.
Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo.
Mabilis.
Bilisan mo.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, the shit. Coming.
Iiwan mo yung Bilisan mo, baby, please.
Baby, I am trying to come very fast.
Bilisan mo.
You know I come
Legit,
very fast.
mamamatay tayo.
Baby, I come very fast.
Ayan.
Calm down.
Kunin mo tong grass suit.
Sun, grass suit.
Ito, yan. Tapos kunin mo yung berries. Tapos akin na yung Akin na yung,
I'm dropping. There you go.
yan, akin na yan.
Why did I drop the backpack?
Okay lang yan, mamaya mo kunin. Okay. Tapos, ang gagawin natin dito, baby. Pupunta lang tayo dun sa... Yung dun sa mga beefaloes. Okay?
What do I do with the shit?
Ilagay mo lang dyan. Ayun, halika na. Run, baby. Run.
Wait, my shit is with me.
Okay lang yan. Umikot-ikot ka lang. Basta iwasan mo lang yung hound na yan. Basta mo lang, ikot-ikot mo lang siya kay Abigail.
Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot.
And if you can attack them, go.
With the pickaxe?
Ayun, okay. Napatay na sila.
Ay, fuck you.
Yan.
Haha! I got him, bitch! Tangina. I got him! Pag natatawa ako dito. Can the server be open lang?
Putang ina, ba't mo tinanggal yung armor mo? Binigyan ka na nga ng armor.
Oh, I have to wear it?
Wow!
The backpack. The backpack has to be dropped.
Kaya nga.
Can I not drop it?
Very good. We survived our first hound attack. Konti lang yun, sa totoo lang. Yung next na attack nila yun, mga 6 na sila, 10.
What do I do with the shit?
Give it to me.
I'm gonna put
Give it
it
to
here.
me. No, 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 no. Don't put it there. Akin na. I-fertilize ko yung ano natin. Berry
Oh.
bushes. I-drop mo.
I see.
Wow. Salamat.
I put a shit on you. Why is my twiggy trico and my pine cone is not growing?
Because you just... Nilagay mo lang sila dyan eh.
Nakalagay plant eh, di plant.
Hindi yan plant. Asan? Ito lang yung tae.
Wait, I have to take a shit first. Yes, there's a lot
Oh
of
my
shits.
God.
There's only few shits there.
Ano you need to take a shit? Gago, mamamatay ka dyan.
No,
Kumain ka muna.
no, you said I need shit, right? You need shit.
Potang ina talaga. Na-stress ako. Na-stress ako.
I'm having fun.
It's stressing me out, my G.
I would play this. I would play this, like for example, when I get home, tapos we're gonna go play. I'm gonna play this.
Tang ina talaga.
How many shits do you want? I can take a shit right now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 kailangan.
I
Teka.
only take 5 shits a day.
Okay. Tang ina mo pala eh. Bobo. Okay. Okay. Time to explore. Go explore.
I will
Then
go.
mag-collect ka ng shit, okay? Actually, yung job mo na lang ngayon since... Teka.
Don't tell me what to do.
Fuck you.
Because I can survive this.
Bakit kukunti lang yung tae nyo, Barad? Putang ina!
Lock.
Gago mo ulan. What? Ba't umuulan? Hindi ko gets.
Okay, there's another question mark.
Ano yan?
Stage.
Touchstone ulit? Ay, hindi
Perform.
ako. Nakita ko na yun. Sige, try mo mag-perform. Good luck.
Okay.
Perform ka, baby. Dali.
Putang ina mo! Help! Aha! Fuck you!
Jabated. Bobo.
I don't like playing with you. You're bad. Fuck you, frogs. Come here. There's so many!
Oo, umalis ka na dyan.
Can I
Umalis ka
take-
na dyan.
I'm hungry.
You're still hungry? Putang ina talagang lalaki to. Kasi yung backpack mo nandito.
Yes.
Yung backpack, yung armor mo lang is if kukuha ka, like, a-attack ka ng some shit. Like, yun yung plan mo talaga.
I'm lost.
Okay, ang kailangan natin ay gumawa ng crackpot.
All I heard was
Tangina.
crack. All I heard was crack. Wow, you got a new skin, spectator shoes.
Ang gagawin ay alchemy engine. Ay, ano ba? Nagawa ko ng ref. So, nakakakuha ng electrical doodad. Putang ina. DSD. Electrical doodad.
I have to go back. I have to get my backpack.
May stone ka, baby?
Yes, I have. I have
Okay.
40 rocks. Is rocks considered stone?
Yes. Ay, akin yan. Charcoal. This one. For the crackpot. Ano yung stones, baby? Tsaka kung may logs ka, akin na din. Thank you. Ay, kunin mo na tong logs mo. Okay na. Tapos, gagawin ko na ngayon ay... ref.
Oh no, I'm hungry. Cook birch nut.
Hungry ka na naman?
Yes, you have a problem with that?
No naman. Saan ko ilalagay yung
What's happening?
ref natin?
Am I poisoned?
Why? Why?
I need water.
Ano, what do you mean?
It says 4.
Ano yan? Wetness yan.
Okay.
Are you hungry? How hungry are you?
My HP 70. Can I go
Ako,
down?
55. Kunin mo to. Kainin mo yan.
Yes, 77 now.
Eto, ref to ah.
What does it do?
So, pag may berries ka na sobrang dami, lagay mo dyan para hindi siya hindi siya mapanis. Kapag nakagawa na tayo ng lutuan, mas ano na yun, mas malaki na yung dagdag niya sa ano, sa health.
It's evening.
Yes.
This is... I think it's time to save it, please.
Okay.
My body is cold.
Okay.
Like cold na... You know the dead cold? know that cold. When you touch somebody's skin and when you touch kitties.
You're sick?
No.
Sige, go exit na. I will continue it.
Hey, no! No!
Sabi mo.
No! No!
Wala na, adik ako sa DST, legit.
No! I wanna... Really, no.
No, I'm really just gonna collect shit for the base.
I don't want you to collect shit.
Okay lang yan.
I'm serious. I don't want you to collect shit.
Sige na. Mag-exit ka na.
Stop.
Asan yung spiders na nakita mo?
So far.
Saan yung spiders na nakita mo?
On the top. Very,
Patingin nga
very
ng map
top.
mo, patingin nga ng map mo, dali.
Over here. 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 See that? This shit?
Okay. Gets. Okay, sige na, matulog ka na.
Stop!
Bakit?
You're gonna play it without me.
Yes, sabi mo nga kanina, you're gonna play it without me.
That's true. But I can't because the server is with you. So that's
Oh,
different.
edi, since I can, I'm gonna...
That's cheating.
Wala ka na. Sige na, matulog ka na.
Maybe.
Mm.
Come on. See, I'm so hungry again.
Putang ina kasi ni Wilson, walang kwenta ang puta. Sige na, matulog ka na.
Tara na.
Yep.
Tara na. How do I exit this?
You just exit. Disconnect.
Aha, I have a dried sandals. It's time to use it.
Crackpot. Charcoal. Na 6, tas cutstone. Okay.
How do I exit?
Escape.
Just disconnect?
Hmm.
Do it. Okay, that was fun. I like the game. I like the game. GG's chat. Bye-bye.
GG's chat.
Bye-bye.
Oh, hindi pa ako GG's eh. Ano?
Shut up. Bye-bye. All the love. Don't forget to tell your
All the
loved ones.
love.
You love them. Mwah. All the love, baby.
All the love, all the love.